Hello everyone, this is Aisha and welcome to our 23rd Kotlin tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'll be talking about the maps in Kotlin programming language and how you can create maps in Kotlin. So in the last tutorial, we talked about the list and how you can print or create a list. And list can be created by using the list of function. So similarly, you can create a map by using a map of function. And in the list, we have simple elements, but in Kotlin, in maps, we have each element as a pair. So a pair contains a key and a value. How you can use this map of function by using the keyword var, and then we will have the name of the map m equals map of function, and then we will have elements. So each element is a pair which contains a key and a value. So here I have to write a key. For example, one is a key, then we will have the keyword 2, and then we will have our value. So 1 is the key and a is the value, and this pair is one element of the first element of this map. Now to create a second element, I have to use a comma and then the key and then second value. So now I have used characters here. You can also use integer value. For example, 1 to 12 means 1 is the key and 12 is the value, and this value is an integer value. But here I'm going to use character. Then we will have the third element, 3, the key, then 2 keyword, and then the value, for example, b. So now what we have did, we have used this map of function, and this map of function creates a map, and each map contains an element as a pair. So each element contains a key and a value. So these elements, the elements of map is separated by the comma, and then we have the second element contains a key which is 2 and a value which is c. So again we have third element, and third element contains a key 3 and a value b. Now how you can print this map? By using the for loop, I'm going to use an iterative variable j and then the keyword and then m. So at first iteration, j is equal to this pair, so 1 equals a print will be printed. At second location, j is this pair, so 2 equals c will be printed. Body of the for loop, we will have print line and then j. So now first iteration means 1 equals 2, second iteration means j equals 2 equals c. You can see here and 1 equals a, 2 equals c, 3 equals b. Now when you are using this map of function, you are actually creating a immutable map. So an immutable map is the one in which you cannot add or remove elements, or you can say that you have only read access. You cannot write anything from this to this map. So now we have a function, mutable map of function, which creates a map which is in which you can add elements or you can remove elements from. So this is similar to the list of function or the immutable list of function. Now another thing to note here is, if you want to print this map as a whole, you can use simple print line and then m. So now when I run this program, I will have this map, or this whole map, printed on the output screen. Run, and you can see here 1 equals 2 means 1 is a key and a is a value, 2 is a key and c is value, and this as a whole is an element of the map. So these keys should be unique, and one key points to only one value, and you can retrieve any value by using the key. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.